Hello, taco lovers. Today, we're going to be talking about how health is one of the 6 key components of happiness. And so, to do that, we're going to be making a healthier taco, a swordfish taco. Swordfish is high in lean protein and omega-3s. In addition, the tortilla I'm using is a zero-carb tortilla. Alright, before I give this a try, please hit that like and subscribe button. It does help me to keep this channel running. Let's see how this tastes. It's very tender, very sweet. This just flakes right away. The way we make this is by cubing 1 pound of swordfish steak, add 1 can of coconut milk, 1 medium onion sliced, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 cup of parsley. Mix that up and marinate it for 1 to 4 hours. And then I broiled this for 10 minutes. So health is not just about you looking good. There are many types of health. You can have your mental health, emotional health, social health, and physical health. Today, though, we're talking about our physical health, though we don't want to neglect any of the others. Health in all its forms is important to our whole self. One of the ways that the people in the blue zones, which are the geographic areas where the statistically longest living people reside, one of the tenets that they all share is that they incorporate natural movement into their daily lifestyle. So instead of driving to the gym to use the treadmill, they go for a walk. They walk to work, bike to work, walk around the neighborhood, garden, and do housework. And these are things that we can do to improve our health. So find a way to incorporate natural movement into your lifestyle. Bike or walk to work if you can. If you arrive early for a meeting or appointment, instead of sitting in the lobby, walk around the building. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. So my challenge for you this week is to find a way to incorporate more natural movement into your life. Take one step toward adding that to your day so you have to feel after next week. Hope you have a great week.